Hello everyone, welcome to my trading blog. What update has been for the market today? We had a little bit of everything today. We have position management, we have some trades that we were planning to enter that we couldn't, and then we have some other trades that I had to close. Before we start, remember this is just for educational purposes. This is not trading advice, okay? Now let's move to our first stock. So again, this is TradingView that I'm using for my technical analysis. The one that we are seeing here is Tesla. If I make a small reminder of what we were expecting yesterday, so we saw price move up above the moving averages. We were expecting price to come down to test it, and then we were expecting price to go up. But remember what I said yesterday. When we're looking at these trades, we need to wait for confirmation. So we were waiting for a full green candle to be formed here, okay? This unfortunately didn't happen. And if you see this one here, when you see small candles like this one, this cannot be considered as confirmation. And you can see why. When price tried to go up, then immediately it was rejected. We still have an opportunity here. I mean, price is still going around this cluster that is being set up here, and I am still expecting price to keep moving up. But similar to what we were expecting in the previous, give me a moment. So similar to what we were expecting here, for price to go up, then test it and then go up, we need to do the same thing, because in the market, nothing is certain, right? We were talking about probabilities, and we knew that as when price breaks down the moving averages, it is going to go down. It is basically doing the same thing that we are expecting to buy, but it is doing it the other way around. It goes down, tests as resistance, and then keeps going down. So when we enter a trade, we first need this confirmation to happen. If we don't get confirmation, we are not going to enter a trade. So Tesla still on hold for the moment. We do not see a good entry point on this one. From here it can go up, but it can also go down. So we just need to wait for confirmation on this one. Now IPOE, so SoFi, this trade is a continuation of what I was showing you guys yesterday. So here this was my entry point for the trade. So price went down, up, it went down, we had confirmation, I entered my trade here, and then I was doing management of the trade. So initially my stop loss was here. As price started to go up, I kept moving my stop to be below the moving averages. I was moving it below my moving average here, and finally I got out of this trade right here. Like, my stop loss was triggered when price went below this level. For this trade, I made when I got out of this one, I was up 18%. So 18% on this trade. I got in, got out. Now I'm still bullish on this one. I still think that we are going to hit our target of $32 to $34, but we just need for a new signal to enter the market. In this moment, price is going down. We are below moving averages here, so it's not a good time to enter again the trade. We're just going to wait for the next few days. Moving to next one. So this one is Nio. On this one, we have a price target of 85. I'm going to go back to a daily chart to show you where we were yesterday. So we made our analysis, we draw our Fibonacci, we know we're on a bullish trend. We are seeing big consolidation happening here with this pattern right here. And when this consolidation happens, it's like a spring. It's like we're squeezing the spring, and the more the pressure builds, the more explosive the movement is going to be. So this is a bullish sign, but we just need to have a confirmation to enter the trade. So overall we're bullish, and now that we are looking our entry point on the 1 hour chart, You see, same thing is happening as what we were seeing with Tesla. Price, we needed to go up and then test these moving averages. For the moment, that is not what is happening. Moving averages are still acting as resistance, and we don't know if price is going to go down or if it is going to go up. In this case, it is very likely that it is going to go down. So we are just going to wait confirmation. We really need price to go up, this one, test it, and then again here, we're going to enter the trade. So again, still waiting mode on Nio. Finally, we're going to see Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is another trade that I have exited. I had to close this one because my stop loss was taken here. Just going to recap, same thing that I was saying. We had price to go up, went down to test the moving average, and here is where I enter my trade. Like you see, this one is a big confirmation. Like we have a full green candle, like a really nice green candle saying, okay, we confirm that this level here is now going to be acting as support, and then we enter the trade. I enter the trade here. Stop loss was below these moving averages. I kept managing the trade. I kept moving my stop loss, moving my stop loss below the averages, and then finally my stop loss was taken here. And so in this trade, I made a good 4%. It's not bad. It was 4% for only 2 or 3 days of price action. I'm still expecting that price is going to reach the 44 to 45,000, but now that I am out of the trade, I need to have again the same validation to re-enter the trade. I need price to go up, then test these moving averages as resistance, as support, and then we're going to enter the trade. It's always the same pattern, guys, that we're looking. Price goes up, goes down, and then we enter the trade. Okay, that is a good summary for today. That is what is happening in the markets today. Again, for Nio, I'm waiting on price to give us an entry point. Tesla, we had a false break. I was planning to enter another trade, but I couldn't enter that one. Bitcoin, I entered the trade, but then I had to close it. And SoFi or IPOE, same thing, I entered the trade, and then my stop loss was triggered. Thank you very much, guys, for joining today. If you have any comments, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to receive notifications whenever I post a new video for trading. Thank you all. Bye.